Deleted data on iPhone isn't always gone forever. Your data is hidden in your previous backup files. Every time you sync to iCloud, it creates a hidden incremental file. Gbyte can access these historical backup layers. You can think of it as your phone's manager. Let's say you had a photo in January, deleted it in March, and your last backup was in May. Apple says the photo is gone. We can go back to January, find the photo, and restore it to your phone. This is Gbyte data recovery technology. Gbyte is capable of recovering not only photos but also data from 20 to 30 of the most popular social media applications. Furthermore, Gbyte offers an iPhone repair feature designed to resolve various common issues such as the dreaded white screen, black screen, and system crashes, though results may vary depending on the specific device. The process is remarkably simple, requiring just 3 steps. Download the software for free, connect your device to your computer, and click Repair. Stop worrying about lost data. Start recovering your digital life. Click the link to experience our iPhone Deep Scan feature.